After Friday's week closing, Nifty can again do a neutral to a bearish start today. So let's look at market levels. Welcome to Trading Footprints, and this is pre-market pulse. Let's begin with global data. In the pre-market session, Gift Nifty is down 30 points, which means Indian markets can do a neutral to bearish start today. In the last session, FIIs and DIIs both did buying, but the buying from FII side was very small, which is not a good strength or weakness indicator. So we'll keep this in the neutral zone. Rupee closed weak, so again it's a negative sentiment for Indian market. India VIX also increased to 11.39, and whenever there's an increase in India VIX, it means that there is fear returning to the market and people are not willingly to spend more money in stock market. So it's again a negative sentiment for us. US market closed lower, oil also closed lower, gold closed higher. So for oil being closing lower, it's a good sentiment. But again, if you look at US market and gold closing, it's again not a good sentiment for us. And overall, in last session for US marketplace, all the sectors were almost weak other than a few where utilities and consumer discretionary real estate were the one which were performing a bit better, but there was weakness in the market. If you look at Indian market levels, Nifty after Friday's closing is currently present at 24,968. Immediate resistance is gonna be 25,200. There is one more level which we can watch today, which is 25,000 level, and it's a psychological level. Any closing above 25,000 level will bring a good sentiment for the market. But again, if Nifty ends up breaking its initial support, which is 24,820, then fresh selling pressure can again come into Indian markets. Second support is going to be 24,730. Overall, looking at all the market sentiment and futures data for US marketplace, there is some strength in US futures data, but overall Asian markets are weak. And the main reason for Indian market could be the weak earning release from all the major companies and the trade deal update, which people are waiting to hear from India side or US side. That also is causing some slight weakness or some slight fear in the market. Market is gonna be in consolidation phase today. If market end up breaking 24,800 level or 820 level, then we can see fresh selling pressure in Indian markets also. And bear and bull might be like will be again sleeping today, and there is gonna be a stock specific action. The only way Nifty can turn bullish is when FIIs start their short covering, they start fresh buying. That can cause a bullish sentiment, but for time being, make sure you follow stop losses, make sure you're booking profit, and make sure you're following